Is that clear for all things? Yes.
Hello friends, good morning to all of you. My name is Deepali Khatri. I study in class 8th. I am learning spoken English in Vision Academy Khirkiyan now. Name present indefinite tense. I did ताते के साथ है हो who helping और I you देवी के साथ do he she it name के साथ does main verb I you देवी के साथ first form he she it name के साथ fourth form. एग्जाम्पल मैं आती हूँ आई कम, तुम आते यू कम, वे आते दे कम, हम आते हैं वी कम, वह आता है ही कम्स, वह आती है शी कम्स, ये आती है इट कम्स, राम आता है राम कम होगा.
Very good. Nice performed by Deepali. Okay. And I want to say about Deepali or Deepavali. Deepali.